I will sometimes when running another program, so another program we already have they already some define the port number. What port number using this application? So defaulted some application have some define the port, or you can change. For example, normally HTTP using 80 port. It means that web page using this 80 port. So we common use another system. We already using SSH. Someone got crossing to connect. I will show that. I can see SSH. I wanted to my laptop system. Yeah, this SSH program using 22 normally. Yeah, this one. Just someone guys, so okay, so you can see that this one style just some all things. All thing 4.22 is mean that port number. There are some to listen. The status is listen. Oh, I'm ready. Is mean. So this one. If this SSH is doesn't start it, so we cannot find this one, or of course cannot using SSH. Can find or not? So my system cannot find 80 port. So my laptop cannot use web page. So no one can see web page with my laptop. So when running another software, for example, there is a web server. They can running many applications and list within their resource. SSH, there are some define 22 HTTP MP4. The client will use this one. Oh, so web browser. Oh, I wanted to using some another web page to web server. They will connect this one. Just include this IP, and there are 4 ports. Also, they already have. After that, this is the whole, and we can call socket. Can communicate. Understand it? That's really simple. And many applications have some port number. So between the system, using this port number. because there are some this IP address only one, but have many other application, many kind of application. Okay. So there are different this port number and using. Understanding? Okay, for example, this web server's IP address 111. Only some IP address have one unique. But another one guy wanted to use web service, so they will use some 111 and will use 80 port, and HTTP service can use this client. But another guys wanted to use connect this one using SSH service, but they only know that this IP address. But they can use so when have some request, there are some can have separate. There are some request to SSH service. Another service request web service. So can separate this one. Okay, one by one. Okay. Well, anyway, yeah. Oh. Socket low-level processing in the kernel. Yeah, we already make a hole between this one. The system call specify the kernel to communicate with and create a data transfer path called the socket. We already done that. The data sent by the communication partner comes out of the socket. Kernel performs digital communication processing and put data into socket. Yeah. Okay, data is put this one, and then finally the NIC send the data this one. But logically it mean this between socket and socket, but physically in this kernel the call to their some NIC card, and then some will send it through switch, another switch or not, and then other systems network card. The data goes through various paths along the way. If we don't have this socket, so many times we already know that this one, but only one point edit this one socket. So the session is often at the moment of setting the server side to keep alive. Did you remember people 20 minutes ago? Some ideas. Keep alive is important. Keep alive is mean. Keep alive is important. Once created, the session is processed for certain period of time. It means keep alive. I will show that. For example, when make it between the make a hole and some can communicate, they will have some session time. session time, you can call that as a keep alive. So I don't know in my laptop how can I check parameter value in keep alive. So I will find another system. I wanted to just this is another Unix system. The Unix system. So this keep alive parameter value can change. So when installed or when operating your infrastructure systems, you need to adjust to your environment. This keep idle mode is mean that relates to some keep alive. It means, for example, keep interval is 150. So we can easily understand 150 seconds is just some another guy requested the web server. Fourth thing, so make this one. There are some guaranteed time, at least. But it can easy. Many people, many systems request this one. Their network will have one request will have 150. But let's thinking about this. Almost the service will terminate within 1 minute. You understand? It means that almost half time is also will waste time, waste performance. That point we need to adjust from this 1 to 17 or 8. It means that we will more than support to another user. Because there are keep alive this one in system part, keep their another data, keep another located memory, keep another located some CPU load. Understand? So we need to consider in this web system. So how many users using our system? How long time? So we need to adjust their parameter value. So same specification, another system, but another system cannot adjust this one. Only using this same default parameter. This one, but this system will change this one. Other thing is all the same. For example, which one is more performance high?